Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working for the development of our listening and speaking skills. We have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I'll read a very beautiful story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You will know the name and the moral at the end. Let's start. The king of beasts was pacing majestically along the shore of the sea one day when he spied a dolphin basking on the surface of the water. Hello, dear friend dolphin, roared the lion. This is a fortunate meeting, ain't it? I long have wanted to suggest that you and I form an alliance. As I am the king of the beasts and you are the king of the fishes, what is more natural than that we should be strong friends and powerful allies? There is much in what you say, replied the dolphin. Not long afterward, the lion again came to the seashore, where he was challenged by a wild bull. The fight was not going too well for the lion, so he called upon the dolphin for his promised support. The latter, though ready and willing to aid his ally, found himself unable to come out of the sea to join the battle. After the wild bull had been put to flight, the lion upbraided the dolphin. You are a fine ally, said the lion. I could have been killed, but you never turned a fin to help me. Do not blame me, said the dolphin in reply, but blame nature, which made me powerful in the sea, but altogether helpless on land. The name, the lion and the dolphin. The moral, in choosing allies, look to their power as well as to their will to help you.